guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making Daiso clay slime. I already accidentally poured my glue. So, I'm very hyper right now. Hey. It was working earlier on my last video. You have to watch my last video. It's amazing. Okay, guys. Literally amazing. Can't. Okay, there we go, guys. Got you guys to work. I already put the glue, like I said. Okay, so I think I might use it even. No, I don't know, Sissy. What should I do? Should I add clean glue or no?
If you want, just don't add mine.
All right. Are you gonna add any, Sissy?
No.
Then I won't either. Okay.
No, I won't do it.
Sissy, do you think this will go down if we leave it open?
I don't think so.
Are you sure? Because it's clay.
I would just leave it until
Okay.
you're ready.
Aww. Okay, I need to get this owl here. Owl here. Okay. Now I go like I'm only gonna use half of it today. I'll just use this half. Are you gonna use half, Sissy?
Yeah.
Okay. Here it is. Alright, I have to make the slime first. I'm so stupid. Okay. Acrobata. It's so tiny, Sissy!
Remember Daiso clay?
Alright. Wow, 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 wow. More acrobata.
Did you add any forks in there?
Yeah. Wow, wow, whoa, wow, whoa, wow, whoa.
Or spray cans.
I don't know what those are.
They're right there.
Oh well, Sissy. Nice! It's a wagon!
Add some more borax. How about that?
Catch me outside. How about that? Hi. So guys, it's starting to work. Yeah. In my last video, I was super lazy. I was tired. Now I'm hyper.
When you first got here, you were hyper.
Yeah, and then I was tired. And now I'm hyper again!
I can see that.
Okay, I think I'm gonna cut it. I think I'm gonna cut that really good. And I just got hit foamy, then I. I'm gonna hear me, Sissy.
Oh no, you're gonna die.
Yeah, because then my slime will die. If I die, no, if the slime dies, I die with it. That's how it goes. Sticky, 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 sticky.
I guess we'll have to play with it a little less sticky.
You sure, Sissy?
Oh wait, no.
Yeah, like you sure, Sissy? Oopsie, Sissy, I added like 100 dots. Yeah. Thank you, Sissy. That's very kind. Very kind! I'm a kind sister. Not. And she has a weird sister. Like me. And I have a sister too, like her. Check out her channel too. It's Awesome Avas with a Z, not an S. Okay. Add some Diesel glue in now.
You should try stretching it.
Oh, let's try stretching it.
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah, I have no idea. Okay, you know what? Let's just add in. Okay, you know what, guys? You need to. Hee 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 hee. Mixity mixity mix. Mixity mixity mix. Mix mix mix. What color should I make this? I already have a blue Diesel clay slime and I already have a pink Diesel clay slime.
How would you make purple?
I don't know yet.
Because pink and blue.
Oh yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna make this purple, guys.
And that's what we're putting together to be.
Yeah, see. Purple, 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 purple. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. She got me crazy. 'Cause I am. You know. Gotta mix it. Gotta mix it. Oh no! It's been 7 minutes almost. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 58, 7 minutes. Got 3 more minutes, guys. And then I'm ending this video. Mark how to subscribe too. Three minutes. Go, 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 go.
And also, you can always use the color to do them.
Okay, bye guys. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and I'm gonna color it more purple after this video. So bye, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and hit the subscription bell. And this was on mute the whole time.
Serious.
Hey guys, subscribe. Bye.